Good morning, sir. I am Noriel Valdez.
I am Marivic Sabanal
From 3 Alpha. Now we're going to discuss Section 53, Disposition, Effects of Revocation Remedy.
So now I am going to discuss the paragraph A of section 53. So it states here that after the probationer seriously violates the probation condition while they are serving the probation that the court given to them, so the trial court has a three options. So first, the trial court may order the probationer continuance of probation. So it implies in this that the probationer may continue to serve his or her probation, but they will remain under supervision. And then next, second options of the trial court, the modification of his or her probation condition. So the trial court has the right to modify or add some conditions in probation. So they can add stricter rules, or they can add stricter rules, or add additional requirements on that probationer who violates the probation condition. Then next, last options of the trial court, they can revoke or they can revoke the probation. So it explained this that after the trial court revoked the probation or the privilege for probation, so the probationer will lose his or her privilege in probation. That is the explanation that paragraph A wants to explain. Then next, we will going to jump section paragraph B of section 53. So it states here in paragraph B that after the trial court revoked the probation period of that probationer, so the trial court shall order to the probationer to serve the original sentence in the judgment of her or his case. So it means the probationer will serve the sentence of the case that he or she so I am going to give example of paragraph A and paragraph B for further knowledge. So example of this is if a person on probation for theft, so in this case, the case of that probationer is theft, and then he repeatedly fails to report to their probation officer. So that is a serious violation. And then now the court conduct hearing, and they find out that this is a serious violation of probation conditions. So now the judge will decide to revoke the probation, and in that case, if the judge is already revoked the probation for that probationer, so the probationer must serve their original 2 years prison sentence. So that is the example that I am giving in paragraph A and paragraph B for further explanation and for further understanding. And that's all. Thank you, sir.
Section 53, Disposition, Effect of Revocation Remedy. So this section explains what will happen if the probationer violates the certain conditions set of the court for his probation. So what will happen and what he can do. So based from what discussion of Ms. Valdez, in paragraph A, after serious violation of a provision of one probationer, so mawawalan siya ng kumbaga, kapag naka-violate ng isang probationer yung yung provision niya is pwedeng i-revoke ng court or pwedeng ma-modify ng court yung kanyang provision. So, merong choices yung court. It's either ituloy ng provisioner ang kanyang provision or ma-modify yung kanyang provision and ma-revoke yung kanyang provision. So, based from paragraph B naman, kapag, for example, na-revoke yung provision ng isang provisioner, hindi siya pwedeng mag-apply ng mag-appeal. And also, kapag na-revoke yung kanyang provision is, babalik siya dun sa, kumbaga, isa-serve niya na yung kung ano yung na ihatol sa kanya ng court. For example, he committed a theft. So, meron siyang 2 years na pagkakakulong or imprisonment. So, after ma-revoke yung kanyang provision is isa-serve niya ulit yun sa jail yung kanyang 2 years na pagkakakulong. Sa paragraph C naman, for example, kapag yung court is na-revoke niya na yung provision ng isang provisioner, is hindi na siya pwedeng appeal. Pero kapag halimbawa na feeling ng provisioner is meron siyang unfair yung judgment ng ng court, so pwede siyang mag-apply or mag-file ng mag-apply ng certiorari pursuant or certiorari petition, which is sinasabi lang doon na kumbaga ipapa-check niya or ipapa-review niya sa higher court yung kanyang yung decision ng lower court dun sa kanyang provision. So yun lang po, sir.
That's all, and thank you, sir.